God!
I've just come to the yard to measure up the kitchens for the bits, but one of the neighbours just knocked and told us that don't. Why not? Not what I thought me and my mum would be doing on a Sunday. Oh, you just got me. He's on the floor. So I've come down to the yard on a Sunday just to measure the kitchens for the trailers that we've done, and to be honest, I didn't even see it. One of the neighbours come up and said, "Listen, mate, you know, I've just obviously mentioned this and blah, blah, blah," and I was thinking, I don't know what he's on about. And he went outside. He said about what was sprayed on the fence, and I said, "Oh yeah, well, we've covered it with the fence." And he went, "No, when he said on the fence, I thought." So I went back outside and seen that, and I just thought, oh. And I thought, my first thing was like, you know, Andy O, rapist. I thought, who've they been speaking to? And then, but like, oh, I don't know. I can sit here now and go through the cameras, and I just think, can I be bothered? They've obviously like just done it with the hood up or something. Or if I do, I'll try and find the footage and that, because my mates, I've shared it with my mates. Golf group, they're all laughing their heads off at it, but they're all eager for me to sit there and go through it and try and find the video of who's done it. But I've got loads of editing to do, so I don't even know when this video will be out. It'll be a while. I haven't even done the other one where the time someone sprayed it before, but yeah, not the best thing to come and see sprayed on your wall, is it? But I'm pretty confident that I've never raped anyone, so I'm happy that it's obviously just some kids who've, I don't know, took a dislike to the yard and what we're doing. Well, specifically me. I don't know whether they've made out that it's like an ex-employee, but there's no one who's worked for us who have it. Even when I've like let people go, there hasn't been anyone who I've got rid of in like a, you know, negative. Well, obviously everything's negative when you get rid of it, but in like a bad. There's never been any bad blood, because like I've always like been honest with them and said, look, either you're on too much money, or you know, I'm not getting value for money, are you? Or you don't drive, you haven't got your own tools, I've got too many labourers. That's normally the case at the minute, but yeah, I think someone's trying to make out that it's an ex-employee when, you know, it's not really. Because I think, like, you know, Joe, who was with us, Gary rang me up, said, oh, Joe's asked him for work. So all like the builders in Liverpool all know each other. If someone rings up and asks for a job and they've been working with someone else, the first person you ring is obviously their old boss. And I've always just been honest and said, look, yeah, oh, Joe was great, yeah, he was just on too much money with me, and obviously all his tools, he couldn't get to the job and stuff. So you know, if he passed his test, it'd be a different kettle of fish, but he was just on too much money for us. And then you've got like Lewis, who's been with me for years, obviously playing footy and stuff, and I know he's going travelling and stuff. So again, he was in and out, and he was like in some days, off some days, leaving early for footy and stuff, and it worked whilst we were like busy and had loads of bits. But then when I've narrowed everything down, I just didn't have, I needed people to come in every day and do full days, and you know, that was the reason he went. Obviously Dave, who come in with Joe, again, just didn't drive, didn't have tools, and was just a labourer, and I just had too many labourers. The other Dave, all these people I've actually like spoken to afterwards, so there's never been anything like I say, bad blood. Dave might be coming back in with us, the other Dave. Tom, I'm in the same gym as Tom. I spoke to him not long ago. Again, I just didn't have enough work to have that many labourers on, or I didn't have enough time for Tom at the minute to show him obviously as much joining as we were doing. And then Mick and Scott, who were also probably showing him, they're only coming in now and then with us. They you know, they've set up on their own. Again, I literally, I don't think there's anyone who we've got rid of or we've like parted ways with that has had a negative. Like Ramon, we're doing Ramon's extension now. It's like, who else? Yeah, I'm trying to think, that's it. But yeah, it's sad to think that there's, you know, someone out there, and it can only be from this YouTube, that they're watching it and they've, something I've done or said has got the backup. God, it is windy, isn't it? Has got the backup and, you know, made them want to do that. Oh my god, this wind. Wow. Let me get back out and have a look at this wind.